Kinds of capital market. There are two kinds of capital market, namely primary market and secondary market. Let's we start with the primary market. Primary market is a market for new issues or new financial claims. Hence, it is also called a new issue market. For your better understanding, A and B want to start a company. For that, A and B contributed 5 lakh each. The total capital 10 lakh rupees. Now, they want to extend their business or develop their company. For that, they need another 5 lakh rupees. So, they decided to get from a public through new issue. Before they issue shares to public, the 5 lakh rupees capital divided 50,000 shares. So per share value is 10 rupees. Now you may have doubt, why capital divided into number of shares? Example point of view, I have used 5 lakh rupees. In reality, amount is very high. It is not possible to get from 1 or 2 persons. If the value is low, people may come forward to buy shares of the company. Example, if Raj has only 100 rupees, he can easily buy 10 shares of the company. Kumar has 500 rupees, he can easily buy 50 shares of the company. In this manner, a company can easily raise 5 lakh rupees from public through new issue of shares or primary market. The primary market deals with those securities. Here securities means shares or debentures of the company, which are issued to the public for the first time. Primary market facilitate capital formation, which means primary market help the company to raise the capital from the public. There are 3 ways by which a company may raise capital in a primary market. The number 1 is public issue. This is a most common method of raising capital by new companies is through sale of securities to the public. It is called public issue. It is generally done with the help of prospectus. Prospectus means a small book or notice which give information about the companies. Also, we take it as an invitation to the public for buying shares or debentures of the companies. The second one is right issue. When an existing company, existing means already the company is present, wants to raise additional capital, securities are first offered to the existing shareholders on a pre-emission basis. Pre-emission basis means before the opportunity is offered to others. The third point is private placement. Private placement is a way of selling securities to a small group of investors, which means a private placement is a sale of securities to pre-selected investors and institutions rather than on the open market. Here, the company not directly selling to public. The company hand over shares to investors or institution. Through them they are selling. It is an alternative to initial public offering. The second main heading is secondary market. Already aware about primary market. The company directly selling to investors or shareholders. No, the shareholders want money. So what they are doing, they can't ask from company because company become artificial person. So how they have to make it as a cash mean, they have to go to stock exchange or over the counter exchange of India. It cover both stock exchange and OTCI. there they can make it as a money. So the market for old securities which is previously issued in the primary market. That's it from today's class. I hope you may not have any doubts. Thank you for watching my videos.